I am floating $2,000 in profit on gold, and here's a small trade breakdown for you. So currently gold is in an uptrend. Gold has been buying like crazy. So once we got up here, we made a new higher high and a higher low. Higher high made a new higher low, which we then broke and made a new higher high. Made sellers up here, which then made the price drop to up here. But then we still made a higher low, right? Price came back above here, made an equal high, but still made a higher low. I entered in right around here. So before it broke, I entered in right around here. But the reason why I entered is because price made a new higher low, which is higher than the previous low. And then if we drop to the 30 minutes, we can clearly see price made a higher low. This was the previous higher low. It made a higher low, and then it still made a small higher low right here. So I entered in around here, and then when price broke at around 11 p.m., it just kept on flying. Currently floating $2,000 in profit. I think I'm going to close this out right now because it made a new resistance level up here. And yeah, we have a bunch of sellers up here. Price is struggling to go any higher. So I'm going to close out my trade and I'm going to call it a day. But yeah, that's a small trade breakdown for you. See ya.